our CS600 has been cleaned out, we are ready to start disassembly. For disassembling the machine, you're going to want to have your gasket remover, which came with your machine. It should be in your spare gasket bag. So what we're going to do is start with the guide rod on top. In the top of the machine, we're going to pull out our mixed feed tube. We have the inner part and the outer part. And you could use the gasket puller, but this one's really easy to pull off, so I'm just going to pull off the little gasket that's on there. Everything goes in the bucket. It's a lot easier to pull the farther away gasket off first, the second gasket, and then the first one, so it'll slip over that first one. Okay, we can throw this tube in there. We have our mixed low sensor. I'm going to take that off, throw that in there. Now we're ready to take the head off. Take the handle out, the handle pin, star cap. And when I open this door up, there's going to be a little bit of dripping. There's just a little bit of water that was trapped in there. These are 2 locking nuts. We have our plunger, our head. So for the main head, we have 1 gasket around the door here. Pull that off, put the head in. And our plunger has 2 gaskets on it. Two plungers in there. Our breaker bar. Now we can disassemble the augers. Pull it out, taking our blades off. Other blade. And the augers out with the rear seal. So that's all the parts for our machine that need to go to the sink and be completely cleaned out. We have a brush kit that came with this machine, which we're going to use to brush out the barrel, brush the feed inlet tube, which goes in between, and also brush out the entire top. We'll wipe everything down, get it nice and clean using lukewarm water. And then we will wash all the parts off in the sink. We'll lay them out to dry overnight after they're sanitized. And then in the morning we'll come back in and we will do a reassembly. Thank you. Have a great day.